This grape sorbet is creamy like ice cream and only uses 3 ingredients. First, pour about 4 cups of washed green grapes onto a baking sheet that will fit in your freezer. Arrange them onto one layer, then freeze for 4 hours until solid. Also, side note, if you've never snacked on frozen grapes on a hot day, you're seriously missing out. Once completely frozen, add the grapes to a food processor or a heavy-duty blender, then add sugar or honey, lemon zest, and lemon juice. The sugar is optional because if the grapes are extra sweet, I found that the sugar isn't necessary, so just taste your grapes before and decide. Now it's just a matter of blending the grapes down into a smooth mixture. This may take a little while, and you'll likely need to stop and mix it up a bit as you go, but eventually it will turn into a beautiful creamy concoction. You can eat it right away or transfer it to a container, smooth it out, then cover it and return to the freezer until firm. As long as it's covered, you can store it in the freezer for a couple months, but I doubt it will last that long. This is such a refreshing dessert, and it's so simple to make. What are you waiting for? Check out one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.